Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Kakong Kmoiñ Wahlang kanong mare marathon kabla new flies nem karta na southwest Khasi Hills. Kalong kanong yo Khusnam mandaus nem ya ga Khusnam u Kiang Nangbah na gabenta ka jingyale kai. Ya gabala ay da ulat ka jilla u CHV Jaya Shankar Hagasngi Republic Day ka arfan riu turik u kalalingkon. Ka Wahlang ka day nagasnong sngi maulen bat ka kmi kabran khat arngut kikun kalas dang ban mare hadin bakal sanba. Ya ka Khusnam Kiang Nangbah Assam da ka sarkar jilla manla usnem kinong yo Khusnam ki yo eka citation bat ka pisa arlak tingka. Ka Kmoiñ Wahlang ka day kanong isim bantaman ka por hagi jingi mare nakathan Balayat ru ya ka Mumbai marathon bar kumju ru ya ki chingile ka ya Bangalore bar Kolkata na
has
ru
made
ki
significant contributions to prevent gender bias, sex selective practices and helping better protection of the girl child, promoting their education. The objective of felicitating the meritorious girls is to encourage girls' education, to boost self-esteem and to inspire others, creating role models for other girls, whilst inspiring them to strive for excellence in education and beyond. May I request the meritorious, having secured a percentage of 95.7, Ms. Nitya Agarwal from Army Public School.